To be fast. Okay, for us very important match today that we continue our way. One very tough, very tough match, especially because at the beginning we had we have to adapt on the rain, but even our opponent, very good physical team with a lot of strong players. But my players, after maybe 10 or 15 minutes, not play like I wanted, but after that they keep the rhythm and continue to follow our instruction and finish this game with 2-0 like you see. At the end, congratulations to all of my players in changing room, and we follow up next matches.
Coach, it seems like you have many players which was not recovered yet, and you have 3 match which is compact. How are you going to do?
That's the question. Even question for me. But next days we will see. So we will see what we have and who will be ready to play. I hope that Bosco will be very soon. He start to perform trainings today. Only I worry about Suane and Gilbert. Suane has a, let's say, big scratch on his face, but I think it will be solved. And now after that we have to fix also Gilbert. As you know that in last 2 weeks he played, if I don't count good, 5 or 6 matches, which is not normal. Even the next days it will be 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days, and we will see how we will fight with it. I hope that some of them will be back and that we will have full squad.
That's not hard for you?
I don't think about that. I trust in this what I have, trust in our work, and of course that we have big matches in front of us. I mean big teams with bigger quality like Kigali, Police and Rayon. And of course it's not easy to manage when you are not full and when you have some disbalance in your team. But okay, I don't think too much about that. I just think how to prepare first myself for next challenge and to prepare my players in their head that they have to play with everyone. For me it's the same. In front of us can be any team. Like we play against I don't know, in Sekafa big teams, the Kilales, Simba, Azam, Pyramids, and we face them and we don't give them a lot of opportunity to score goals. And just what we need, I will tell again, what we missing is our chances to score more goals and finish game before, and after that you can manage some rest for some players and to finish this game much more easy than you have like you have today.
We have been knowing Arsene as a winger. Why did you put him on the?
Why? Yeah. I will give you to find the answer for that. I think you see what I have. I have not another striker in the bench, and this is something what I have to do and something what I have to find to replace our attack. This is what we have, and okay, Arsene is not striker, but maybe in the future you will see.
Or you need another one?
Yeah, of course that we need. Well, of course, but okay, this is like I said, this is what we have, and we fight with this. For me, it's most important approach how Arsene came in and how he react with the team and how his will and his compactness with the group. That's it. And about other questions in the future, we will try to solve it. But now in this moment, it's most important those players to be able to answer to any challenge what we have.
Thank you, Coach.